Igwende bana ke manteke na kwa mono na okwu anu ngaji na aka bụ ezigbote okwu talakpu. Oborozi hofu na Dave Umahi, former Governor of Ebonyi State, na bụ Minister of Works Nigeria, till nwe for working for political office. Mana mgbe ndị mmadụ bịa na-echeki ya so that politically Nigeria bụzi onye chicha nwanne ya achịa, onye chicha nwa ya achịa. Then this our brother started now commanding women. Mmadụ wele talk Mbaka. Then he now connected the dog to send a strong message. He took his time, connected the dot with Mbaka and the warning with all these politicians. Because now, Dave Umahi, onye me honalo. Iwe nego APC ticket. For local government area. Iwe nego APC ticket for millions of naira. Kede here nalo, what is your revenue? Kede your business, how much can you generate? How old are you? And we have an idea in Nigeria na ajuju. But it's just so sad that now our youth, some of us are focused on something that does not matter. All these people when they is a family rotational policy, power policy. How copy we go pattern? They hear all these Arabic nations how copy we get, and they have power and they have successfully invented it into our political system. Dave Umahi on politics. Mwike nke ona rezu yezo, Erufai odezu yezo. So these are the people who are unu achicha goto unu na wana hapo umuazi ka ha tonite choose with their career by themselves. Una na pompo hana then in speech that young boy. Mboso okuloku na say because what is this? What is this? How did we get here? This is a boy do guy that na this boy now. He happen this boy no wete or no Nechame market or no chanja. The boy a manchita waja. Or manchita waja. He doesn't command respect, he doesn't command attention, he just did like Don Diana Kwakanazo. He doesn't even look like what he's about to invent into. One week they are this serious, they had man at least this thing almost you people push your children into doing all these things. Get go. Now this guy will connect your dot with Mbaka and Dave Umahi. So this video is hypothetical. Mbaka versus Dave Umahi. And what you did not plan by yourself, it will definitely collapse. It will definitely collapse. I'm a mother on neighbor kwa Dave Umahi men Costa Road. There are families crying. What have you now done to compensate those people? Must other people cry for you to rejoice? That is not how power is being done. But at the end of this video, God the one.
Dave Umahi versus Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka. This statement by Mbaka is the summary of Dave Umahi. Oya, listen to the statement. Number one.
As I speak as a man of God, as God lives, their dynasty will not last.
Number two.
For these evil leaders have turned the men on the pulpit to become beggars. Riffraff beggars. When we have launching, we employ them. And they promise you 1 million or 2 million. And you give them titles. Some of them will become knights. Some will become nefe, nedis, nenta, nimo. Rubbish.
That is the summary of Dave Umahi. Just about, I think 2 weeks ago, the APC of Ebonyi State, led by Dave Umahi, fixed the nomination form for local government chairman. APC nomination form for local government chairman. Fix it at million naira. Just local government nomination form. And that began with many people began to question this amount. In Igbo, we say, Onye jeni we kwonya, keduzi anu ga mata. He that set a trap with an elephant, which meat is he expecting to catch? 10 million naira for nomination form, according to the report on the media, that the nomination form is on. We will be asking, how can nomination form for just local government chairman billion naira? And from experience in Nigeria, that means by the end of the person tenure, the person would have stolen 1 billion naira. we were asking, what is the justification? What is the rationale? Little did we know that there is a plan. Now, this is a video. The real plan is out. Dave Umahi's son is vying for the local government chairman of, is he or her or hers or what? And this is Dave Umahi campaigning for him. This is people's father answering him, sir, already bowing to the boy called Osborne. What does he want to do? He wants to build dynasty. According, the same thing Mbaka said. That the dynasty they want to build will never succeed in Jesus' name. Dave Umahi want to build a political dynasty in Ebonyi State. Now the second one he made is that they collect deacon and whatever titles in church. This is Dave Umahi. Look at him in church. I think this is, according to the report, I'm not too sure, Christ Embassy. He's preaching. After they finish their corruption and evil, they come to church and the church surrender their pulpit to them. Why? Because they bring money to church.
For these evil leaders have turned the men on the pulpit to become beggars. Riffraff beggars. When we have luncheon, we employ them. And they promise you 1 million or 2 million. And you give them titles. Some of them will become knights. Some will become Nefe, Nedis, Nenta, Nimo. Rubbish.
You heard Mbaka say it. They bring money to church. So the church has surrendered themselves to these politicians. They have surrendered themselves to these politicians. So Dave Umahi wants to build dynasty. He has copied from Bola Ahmed Tinubu and he wants to build it in Ebonyi. If you watch Dave Umahi, during his tenure as a governor, he did everything possible to isolate Ebonyi State from the whole of Southeast. You will hear him when we say Biafra, Biafra, he will always say Ebonyi is not part of Biafra, Ebonyi is not part of Biafra. You would think he's saying it for national interest. No, he's doing it so he can isolate Ebonyi and build his political dynasty. Rochas Okorocha did the same thing. He attempted the same thing in Imo State. From his son-in-law to his children to his wife, everything. He wanted to build a dynasty. He copied it from Lagos and came back and attempted to do it. Guess what? He failed woefully. Now, Dave Umahi wants to do the same thing. He wants to build Umahi and son political dynasty in Ebonyi State. That's what he wants to do. His intention is that after the boy go for local government chairman, by the end of the governor's tenure, I won't be shocked, surprised, if we are looking at Dave Umahi's son contesting for what? The governor of Ebonyi State. It's the same thing Wike is positioning his son to be. They want to build political dynasty. That's why if you hear Dave Umahi, his interest is to isolate Ebonyi so he can achieve his goal. That is. And that statement, these two statements from Mbaka, that their political that dynasty will not work. And that they go to church and collect titles. They have hijacked the pulpit because men of God have suddenly become businessmen, merchandisers. They are interested in money. So the politicians drop the money and hijack the pulpit. And the men of God are happy because their primary goals of going into ministry in the first place was money. So Dave Umahi, the word of the man of God just said that your political dynasty in Ebonyi will fail. If you are in Ebonyi, listen to me. That political dynasty that Dave Umahi is trying to build, it will fail in Jesus' name. It will never succeed. Not now, not tomorrow. Rochas Okorocha have tried it and failed. Timaroke Namani have tried it and failed. Ojus Okalo have tried it and failed. The Uba family has tried it in Anambra and has failed. Dave Umahi will fail.